kombere ine ka ine neno chamo ken je machwer chunyamba chala ande bene ka ine neno luwe moko go bien ke Kampala pe pa mera luong mera nyingi luwe moko manogo ke wako chalo Kampala gi kwegini gen ge gi bien bot waka kan kibichulu gi moko chene moko chaka do i million adera ngwen abi pa gi do cher kerenyim.
That's true.
Eto chalo wan bot waka ka inini inono wakona kimi chilinga le mia chele le mia rioni no be foot cha ken kitika ngwer lo yewi itamani warama meto roma megwa ki value ma megwa chiana wan warama cha kero wel chiana madit cha pa joma ki kege ke kelgi ku wakani kiyo ngo inene
any stakeholders weng mati in the industry is involved in building the industry pian ingeo products mamegwa omiaro one wachar products mamegwa wako makaro pian it's what identifies us. Yeah, so stakeholders down magengiti media houses, luwe magengiti studios, production make go away, jo magengi mark videos. We need to team up together and produce quality and also accept and give platform to our quality products to be known. Because with marketing, if you have done business, there are areas that are very, very key in the marketing of our business. There is quality. There is what they call maximum of quality. So you need to prioritize quality to send outside there where all down ben gengun this thing is worth my payment. But don't marai lawyer ananoni media houses mamegwa kumarmi Uganda pegitika promoting talent mamegwa mabe where okay nano talent mamegwa chalo ginomo ma petie worth payment money madoni pian ka ini winyu radio stations mamegwa komberi chane ibi noni almost like 60% per way makok oberwe maaki central we maaki Nigeria kedong 20% is the western music maaki lobopotara, and then the remaining 20% is where matirong hit songs manodong pege twero kwero ne ene ye koki kumalo mi Uganda chi wero no penetrating the ground where one wa level money mano we are rated worth payment madon no tech. So anoni umiar one machalo stakeholders me industry wachako maro jemi mamegwa ya work no ka wachero kere wako DJs angage kage goyo bene. They are also very proud of our products. Wako wakere wala la magengi tiga luloki magengi kwa ilobo kanyi. They should be able to rhyme to the lyrics of Kiddy Face, lyrics of maybe Luwe like Eddie Wizigi Romeo Ngagi. You understand? But ka yini chere lobo la kuja bi noni Acholi magiti kunu donge teacher lo loki ge wero lebla from A to Z, simply because chawa weng from morning to sunset. You're in a taxi ti when we laga iti vure oti radio station yabu we laga neno TV videos paro loki. You understand? That's why even it is much easier for la wema kumalumi Uganda mit donyo kuja ka wero mo donyo TV station ka wero lebla chi enoni. No, to me I am not trying to say no, they are doing bad music, but it is an insult to our cultural heritage. Because we don't know what tika kano nga wan wabero watida exalting tekwa pa jomono nyua waka pa jomone yechian ya chi enoni no we wabero bera kera we promoting products mamegwa. We shall sell them and it will be marketable. Then for example the legend, the late Oriema, yeah, Oberu international music mamegi no not you a soundtrack by Chuck Norris gi kwana ngagi, and he was being paid in dollars well Madonna, so I think it's not about language, but it's about loving what you do and what is yours. Yeah, when you're proud of yourself, they will receive you. People will receive you the way you present yourself. Ka ini kwara yan gimeki juli kwara nonka beru Kenya. You understand, eh? Yeah, so that's what I think I can talk about. Okay. Yeah.
We po beru gena yot. Bikar mu karange nying down my industry me we timu ken mbale mukene ma partner en kimon ma jui loke mar jai ge gwa konyo tik jem rejo me mano influencing in gwa konyo wero in timu gwa geno mani mano gwa ino ne ram tim neni jemi mugo me bero ka makelo charo wachi lok me mir gele eneni no gwa ke cher show gwa ke tim gene in tamni wekong wan wadwak wara ikom duwe me ko mala ka eneni no watimo gena ngo wek waro dugi piara ngene waro bene is one thing matiki kache o lok mon ma initika wajneli eno mir wachako wono supporting joma botwa ka eneni
ingeo wan wa ake ke family background ma part so paramo zero wing ni team charo ti kom lu wegi kan recently ka waneno e kom politicians oberu raja de mera mo wa ne gwak ngo ke kamera so wan waneno gana kamera be ka team ne magi be ka bay ne social media eno ni age team me charo dok team charo ngar mo wa ne lu kera no menu funyi kere you understand so indong team charo ni ma yini displaying I wang public no itiga nyuro kita in raising in kere you are uncultured you are not a family man because if you are a family man ma ini warni lunyo na ki family ma mega umiaro gen gobeka waka pe atim je malewigi you definitely kama unity ye kere ka pegetika neni you respect yourself that is self discipline period it's not about the way but of course it's unfortunate ni the way nyingilo wero ni mo no atia chero yu menu mo chi pabi wajo kaberu ne ma watia cherie for security purpose work oro to bena pe ne
ala chen be dare
ngoi biachara so wa joining Costa ni king at Uganda pub ka NY pian wa join kitia age side me Kampala wa be cher gang nyom undong popa dong pe transport ma me ngoge undong jo me video kilo miele ki ngage udon do it Costa ya no space tie wa bin wa pe kai Costa wa tamani wa pe kai bie mo ma dok vuko yire ento joni eni jo madon magen gitiga mente gitiga mato jai Costa gitiga mato bia mon madon mia war magi holding offices madon gitiga ballo beru rukmu maraju Costa kenyu ki lok magitiga bokone lok ma wa wan lu we magi bar nying wani wan lu mon kon wan lu mat jai kono we were scared
uno ni dak level ka la cour fo
level wa me bale kara pere ina no wayo Omera Frank owai jal ngoma titi me kany mnyer mama video mela chiu en wai jal this is serious waberu wane dadawa jal wegi bar nyingi nono jocha wo mo hotel kama ke pango wani pe wani ne diwo they had a gene hufa mo kirien go music pe runi ter wan mar we ma mar music don wa degwa music ero joni go wo pawa pe ru ento reception ine anu lu dire baby nyang ni joni mala wogo berga merni it goes back to your self discipline kidong angama ini beru manongar mani peka neni wayo so luwe kom ke nyingi pol kare balle totwal igen mano mistakes okay gor mano dano egini weng macha dana timo ero make palo we pol kare karo pe kane ya karo wa kamaleng so anoni wan luwe bena this calls ni umierwa gwa ka won wa beru joma ware piane wan nying warai teka ka gin mo time machalo dana wan we kom kiremo iramo timo mistake ento migi pege binen chalo gor pa dana wailu wegu kirge eno so kera don wan wa ngeyo ga inde ngeyo ni in ki degi ga mani bera kera don me beri gwa we pege mak bali komi so yeah that's definitely kera miar wan wa ber kwere wa wara wono lu weru wara yeah
iwajo maleng tutwal piane ingeo geno me ana penyo ni piana penyo in piane in la we ka no bana tika loki politician be ona bi penyo en lok pat eno ni kiyung par kita do kira no time kere jemo time ger maduong pa politician song oberu dong raj lawyer pal we ger mo kene oberu tie er no pe gene so ana marni kache nen wa bi beru wono wabe ko makama ino merwa gwaka wono tutwale en mone bien ngeo la we lo come rio en kiti wajni speed da ku be enini kai ker mer la ke ma ma ti no lo ko lo nge pian ki nge yes so amer don ka what dolo doge ko no amera pen ni nga ma kache ini nenu ni itamni do wero ini mo tammi to twal me be la we ni nga ma ini no chare we I admiring gwaronyo o inspiring in gware me bini we magwak chan no gware winyu we ne
wow go beru duong ento abe wajo magang kan e kar cha ma ana cha we ni no local wen foti kwe winyu we maro teno gango go we ma choko chuin dano e kar me lwen keta mier dano bet ka gwake kwere ket me ke tu ge kam Dano Machalo Bosmiko team played a very big role in line in regards with my source of inspiration. Maybe in a way, much as no gerdong duba kero ichunyani abibere la way, but it empowered my journey. Ma enbene pengeo, yeah, because I used to buy his steps, playing arbora me and a kero ne gene kara twere. Yeah, Dano the likes of Orchard Raymond Gay. Dano again go beruka where we ma be Dida Moses Gay, the late Dida Moses Gay, Rasta Cobra Gay. These are people who inspired us. And then this guy, I used to love his song so much. The late Johnny B, Mowera Poli Chamoporo. Yeah, the likes of legendary Tempera Mona. Wanwanena wene ngomono motimido. Wero chuin mama chue. These were the songs we used to dance and me wachuet wa PM. And I remember one fateful day I was with my man and anka kwana mera bela we. I didn't know it never needed even no mera kwan. Actually piano kumbe chan wa we man awareness is not because achier gankwan. Yeah, so but for you ludirwa eguni mater da minyote wa yo. Yeah, we are kumberchane wanone twere
ketini wo me opportunity ni collaborating kila we mo kenene and itamni ngama in iramo collaborating kere pene pede ramo gere locking gere yourself ni maina le mo kera dala yele kere pede twe gere wiyo ni gwa ka pene atika ka eni gwa eto la we ma inino kache o karno nonge ma iniramo we kere ino chal mene ma ono iramo we kere kinera ne
wow atamo ni giduong bana giduong ke kene collaboration bino ke intention. There should be a motive why two great people come together to do something. It should be for a reason. So dano ma an a bit mangina betimo collaboration kege watieke the likes of my brother Odong Romeo. Yeah, we were supposed to do a collaboration sometime back, and then and Germany, like more especially with the gospel music, the journey has to be spiritual. So yeah, so we plan according to the season. We shall do it sometime later. We almost did a song with Bosmiko team recently about I think Ramo Bericharo Due Marama Ramo Abichel Gwangej. Yeah, Mano he sent me go better, I'm coming. I go a better way but I think somehow and journey political journey and this thing, so it kept him too busy. Collaboration. Yeah, but we are doing one great gospel music. I'm hoping in the future we'll be team on a banner. Yeah, and then the likes of a bold simple man. Those are people I look up to them. Yeah, not just because they're doing music in a different field, but I respect them as legendary and people who hold higher integrity in the community. Giti down me in the industry. Yeah, so I have no reason to not to do collaboration with them, because it is an attachment of brands, and also uplifts my profile. Yeah.
Very well.